Exploring U2, a journey through history, hits, and musical impact. Discover the untold stories behind U2's legendary rise to fame. Dive deep into the journey of how a group of Dublin teenagers became one of the most influential rock bands in the world. U2 has left an indelible mark on the music world with their powerful anthems and iconic albums. Their innovative sound and commitment to social causes have earned them a place among the legends of rock. The band's formation is a tale of serendipity and shared passion. Bono, The Edge, Adam Clayton, and Larry Mullen Jr. came together through a school notice board, united by their love for music and desire to make a difference. U2 faced numerous challenges in their early years, from financial struggles to skepticism from the music industry. Despite the odds, their relentless determination and unique sound eventually caught the attention of record labels. The release of War marked a turning point in U2's career. Its raw energy and politically charged lyrics resonated with a global audience, establishing the band as a powerful voice in rock music and setting the stage for future success. Sunday, Bloody Sunday stands as one of U2's most politically charged anthems. Addressing the Bloody Sunday incident in Northern Ireland, the song's raw emotion and powerful lyrics resonated globally, solidifying U2's reputation as a band unafraid to tackle heavy issues. With the release of The Joshua Tree, U2 achieved global fame. The album's rich, atmospheric soundscapes combined with profound lyrics struck a chord worldwide. It catapulted the band to unprecedented heights, making them international superstars virtually overnight. With or Without You became the song that defined a generation. Its haunting melody and introspective lyrics captured the complexities of love and longing, resonating deeply with listeners. The track remains one of U2's most iconic and beloved songs. U2's music evolved significantly over the decades. From their post-punk beginnings to experimenting with electronic and alternative sounds, the band's willingness to innovate kept them relevant. This evolution showcased their versatility and commitment to pushing musical boundaries. Achtung Baby marked a bold reinvention for U2 in the 90s. Embracing a darker, more experimental sound, the album was both a critical and commercial success. It demonstrated the band's ability to adapt and thrive in a changing musical landscape. U2's live performances are legendary, creating unforgettable experiences for fans worldwide. From their groundbreaking Zoo TV tour to the heartfelt Elevation tour, each concert showcases the band's ability to connect deeply with audiences on an emotional level. The story behind Vertigo reflects U2's knack for crafting infectious, high-energy anthems. Released in 2004, it became a massive hit, combining raw guitar riffs with Bono's electrifying vocals, capturing the essence of rock and roll. U2's social activism is integral to their identity, with the band consistently using their platform to address global issues. From poverty to AIDS awareness, their commitment to humanitarian causes has inspired fans and amplified their message. Many artists cite U2 as a major influence, testament to the band's innovative sound and emotional depth. Their unique blend of rock, post-punk, and electronic elements has shaped the soundscape of modern music across various genres. One stands out as one of U2's most enduring ballads, touching hearts with its poignant lyrics and soulful melody. Written during the tumultuous recording of Achtung Baby, it represents unity, forgiveness, and the power of love. U2 has always been at the forefront of technological innovation in music. They embraced digital soundscapes and cutting-edge studio techniques, pushing the boundaries of what rock music could achieve with albums like Achtung Baby and Pop. Beautiful Day marked a significant comeback for U2, winning them new fans and revitalizing their career. The song's optimistic lyrics and anthemic sound resonated globally, proving that the band still had a lot to offer. Their awards and accolades are numerous, including 22 Grammy wins. These recognitions not only highlight their musical prowess, but also underscore their cultural impact, solidifying their status as one of the greatest bands ever. U2's longevity is a testament to their ability to adapt and evolve. They have consistently reinvented themselves, staying relevant across decades while maintaining the core elements that make their music timeless and universally appealing. The profound lyrics of U2 songs often explore themes like love, war, and spirituality. Their songwriting delves deep into human emotions and societal issues, offering listeners a meaningful and reflective experience that transcends mere entertainment. U2's lyrics often delve into deep and profound themes, from love and loss to political unrest and spiritual seeking. Each song is a carefully crafted narrative that resonates with listeners on multiple levels, inviting introspection and connection. The band has collaborated with various artists, enriching their musical landscape. From Johnny Cash to Kendrick Lamar, these partnerships have brought fresh perspectives to U2's sound, showcasing their versatility and willingness to explore new creative avenues. Songs of Innocence sparked controversy when it was automatically added to iTunes libraries, but it also received critical acclaim for its introspective lyrics and innovative sound. The album reflects personal and political themes, adding another layer to their legacy. U2's visual aesthetic has always been striking, from iconic album covers to groundbreaking music videos and stage designs. Their attention to visual detail complements their music, creating a cohesive and immersive experience for fans both live and online. Bono's activism significantly impacts U2's image, intertwining their music with global humanitarian efforts. His work in debt relief, AIDS awareness, and other causes amplifies the band's message, proving that their influence extends far beyond the stage. I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For delves into themes of spiritual yearning and existential quest. Its gospel-infused sound combined with Bono's poignant lyrics resonates deeply, reflecting the universal human search for meaning and fulfillment. U2's trivia is a treasure trove for fans. Did you know the band was initially called Feedback, or that the Edge's signature guitar sound is heavily influenced by his love for punk rock? U2's legacy is monumental, shaping modern rock with their innovative sound and powerful lyrics. Their influence extends beyond music, inspiring countless artists and leaving an indelible mark on the cultural landscape. Future projects for U2 promise continued innovation and relevance. The band is known for pushing boundaries, and fans eagerly anticipate new music, tours, and collaborations that will undoubtedly continue to captivate and inspire. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more in-depth music analysis and exclusive content. Stay updated on the latest in music history, band insights, and behind-the-scenes stories that bring your favorite artists closer to you.